Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Beats Powerbeats Bluetooth wireless earphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with these earphones not pairing with your device, or if they are not syncing or pairing or connecting to Bluetooth, or if you're only getting sound out of the left ear or the right ear, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now the other reason you might want to do this is if you just want to get a fresh start with these earphones and just have all the pairing history and everything like that wiped off, so you can set them up just like you're taking them out of the box new. We can go ahead and do that really simply. All we need to do is on one side of the earphones, you'll see there's the power button, and on the other side you can control the volume. So you want to find the volume down part. So you're just going to simultaneously hold the power button and the volume down buttons for about 10 seconds until the little LED indicator on the earphones blinks, at which point you can let go, and then you can set up your earphones as a new set of earphones.